Peanuts are an oilseed that can provide several health benefits, such as helping to reduce inflammation in the body, prevent cardiovascular diseases, combat anemia, prevent premature aging, and improve mood, as they are rich in antioxidant compounds, in addition to having good amounts of nutrients, such as B vitamins, vitamin E, amino acids, and healthy fats. Peanuts can also help you lose weight, as they are rich in fiber that helps increase the feeling of satiety and reduce hunger, in addition to having thermogenic properties. However, because they are high in calories, they should be consumed in moderation and included in a balanced and healthy diet. This food can be used in several recipes, such as salads, desserts, snacks, cakes, and chocolates, and can also be found in the form of peanut butter, for example, which can be easily found in supermarkets. Main benefits. The main benefits of peanuts are: 1. Protects against heart disease. Peanuts contain resveratrol, a substance with a powerful antioxidant effect that prevents oxidative damage to cells and helps to lower cholesterol, in addition to promoting the relaxation of blood vessels and reducing blood clotting, preventing cardiovascular diseases. 2. Helps prevent atherosclerosis. Peanuts help prevent atherosclerosis because they contain monounsaturated fat, known as good fat, which helps to increase good cholesterol. Good cholesterol promotes the elimination of cholesterol from the tissues, thus preventing the clogging of arteries. 3. Combats anemia. Peanuts can help a lot in combating anemia because they contain folic acid, a vitamin that stimulates the formation of blood cells, such as red blood cells. In addition, peanuts also contain iron, which is another very important nutrient for preventing and treating anemia, since it increases the production of red blood cells and hemoglobin. 4. Prevents the onset of type 2 diabetes. Because it contains monounsaturated fat, known as good fat, peanuts help to keep blood sugar levels stable, thus preventing an increase in blood sugar levels, which over time can facilitate the onset of type 2 diabetes. In addition, peanuts are rich in fiber, helping to reduce blood sugar levels and, therefore, also act in the prevention of type 2 diabetes. 5. Helps with weight loss. Peanuts are a good food to help with weight control because they are rich in fibers that help to increase the feeling of satiety and reduce hunger. In addition, peanuts are also considered a thermogenic food, that is, a food that is capable of increasing metabolism, stimulating greater calorie expenditure during the day, which ends up facilitating weight loss. However, because it is an oilseed with a high caloric value, excessive consumption of peanuts can have the opposite effect, that is, promote weight gain. 6. Prevents premature aging. Peanuts are rich in vitamin E, which works as an antioxidant and therefore helps prevent and delay aging. In addition to vitamin E, peanuts are rich in omega-3, which is a good fat with a strong anti-inflammatory effect, which prevents premature aging, considering that it works as a cell renewer. 7. Ensures muscle health. Peanuts help maintain muscle health, as they contain magnesium, an important mineral that helps strengthen muscles, and potassium, which improves muscle contraction. Therefore, peanuts are recommended for those who practice regular physical exercise. In addition, peanuts also contain vitamin E, which is responsible for increasing muscle resistance. Peanuts also improve training performance, promote the increase in muscle mass through physical exercise, and help muscle recovery after training. 8. Reduces the risk of birth defects. Peanuts can be an important ally during pregnancy because they contain iron, which helps in the formation of the baby's nervous system, growth, and development. In addition, iron also helps reduce the risk of infections that are common during pregnancy, such as urinary tract infections. In addition, peanuts also contain folic acid, which is very important during pregnancy, as it is responsible for reducing the risk of brain and spinal deficiencies in the baby. 9. Improves mood. Peanuts help improve mood and reduce stress because they contain tryptophan, a substance that promotes the production of serotonin, a hormone known as the pleasure hormone, and increases the feeling of well-being. Peanuts also contain magnesium, which is important for reducing stress, and B vitamins, which contribute to the formation of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, which help improve mood. How to consume. Peanuts can be consumed fresh or roasted, raw or in the form of a paste, crushed in a blender or food processor until creamy. In addition, this oil seed can also be used to prepare peanut tea, a creamy drink typical of some regions of Brazil, which can be consumed for breakfast or as a snack, for example. To enjoy the benefits of peanuts, it is recommended to consume around 28 grams per day, which is equivalent to 20 to 25 units. However, these quantities may vary according to age, sex, health status, and nutritional needs of each person. Who should avoid? People with a tendency to oily skin should avoid eating peanuts during adolescence because this oil seed can increase the oiliness of the skin and promote the appearance of acne. In addition, peanuts can cause heartburn in some people. People with allergies to peanuts or other oil seeds, such as walnuts, hazelnuts, or almonds, should avoid consuming them. Precautions when consuming peanuts. Peanuts may contain aflatoxin, a group of toxins produced by fungi such as Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus. Eating foods contaminated with aflatoxins is associated with an increased risk of liver cancer. However, it is possible to reduce exposure to aflatoxin by buying only the main brands that sell peanuts and discarding those that appear moldy, discolored, or wrinkled. Peanut recipes. Some healthy and nutritious recipes that can be prepared with peanuts are 1. Chicken salad recipe with peanuts and tomatoes. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of roasted, skinless, unsalted peanuts, 1/2 lemon, a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 pieces of cooked and shredded chicken breast, 1 head of lettuce, 2 tomatoes cut into half moons, 1 red bell pepper cut into strips, 1 cucumber cut into half moons, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Preparation: blend the peanuts, lemon, vinegar, soy sauce, salt, and pepper in a blender for 20 seconds. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and blend until the sauce thickens and set aside. In a bowl, place the chicken breast, lettuce leaves, tomatoes, bell peppers, and cucumber. Season with salt and olive oil to taste. Drizzle with the sauce and garnish with peanuts. Serve immediately.